Sorry. That is a ZX Spectrum, the ZX Spectrum prototype. It looks quite good like that. And this is the Hope Dolphin 1989. Possibly one of only a few surviving examples out of 2,500 machines. A licensed BBC micro from India made by Hindustan Office Products Limited, HOPE. Contains Rockwell chips from America, and unlike the BBC-B, there's a single chip for the 32K RAM, and the OS and BASIC are also on one chip. 1990 is the power supply date.
These are all like standalone. You just hook it up to a monitor and
India's second attempt at selling the BBC computer.
yeah, that's all.
Wow.